They don't. They snore like a freight train, and the snoring stops here. Theravent Advanced Nightly Snore Therapy is clinically proven to reduce snoring by 76%. And it's simple. Unlike those cumbersome mouth guards, Theravent's patented microvalve technology harnesses the power of your own breathing to target and treat snoring. So together, you get the quiet night's sleep you've dreamt about. Until now, this doctor-recommended technology was only available with a prescription, and Theravent clinical studies indicate that 8 out of 10 bed partners reported having a quieter night of sleep while using Theravent.
Theravent Advanced Nightly Snore Therapy is FDA cleared to reduce or eliminate snoring.
I'm so thankful for Theravent. I get a good night's rest, and the best part is, we get to wake up together.
So start using Theravent tonight and get a quieter night's sleep.